Okay, bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, guys, and welcome back to my channel. And it's been so long that I haven't do a demo video. And this in this video, I want to do a demo video about my new project. Is a Laravel project. So as you can see, is e-commerce app actually. So where you can sell a ticket and you buy it. Okay. Okay, on the user interface, the web, you can see there's a hero section, there's text and a hero image, and down here is all of the event. You can view list all of the event that are available right now, and there's browse by category. Okay, maybe we try to purchase one ticket. Maybe here I just press one of the ticket and the event, and you can see the details, what this event about, description, location, type, date, and duration. Okay, you can buy the ticket by book tickets now. Here's on the transaction details. You must type your name, your email address, and there's grand total, and there is a payment method. And now we press make payment now, and yeah, you are the success to buy a ticket. And then how we can approve it, buy into this admin is actually for admin only. First is a dashboard. Welcome to admin of the Ticketing web app, and then go to this tab, and as you can see this all the event that you see on the user page. There's the name, the category, date, duration, the ticket, and then an action. There's an edit and delete, and the transaction and the ticket. And then I want to accept the purchase that I already do by going to the event before was this one. Then go to transaction, and the latest transaction was this one. And then by doing that, we just press approve, and yes, accept it. Okay, back and done. And you can also uh, download the ticket PDF. Is this one, and you can send it to the buyer. And yeah, that is all of the feature from the admin. And also we can add some ticket, just this one. Before is only one ticket, maybe you can add a ticket maybe. Nah, okay, like that. If you go here to the user interface, you scroll down and find the event, it will add up here, and you can do another purchase. Yeah, that's it about my new website using Laravel and JetStream. And yeah, thank you very much for listening. Akhirul kalam, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.